have you heard about the eBay and Facebook merger? Well, it's not a merger, first of all. It is more of two companies agreeing to work together, and I think Facebook is basically going to be an eBay affiliate when this actually happens. So let me read this article from Fortune magazine. eBay added $3 billion to their company's worth in market value in one day, thanks to Facebook's rival marketplace. Now, if you know anything about eBay and Facebook, they are rival marketplaces because you can list on both and have buyers pick the item up in person or ship the item to the buyer wherever they may be. However, this is really interesting that eBay and Facebook have agreed to this. And I think what it says is that Facebook is willing to open up their marketplace to eBay listings. And when something sells, the buyer actually goes to eBay from Facebook to eBay to pay for the item. But I think that Facebook is probably going to get a percentage of every item sold. Let's get into the story. eBay's stock price rose nearly 10% on Wednesday. It's one of its largest single day increases in years, 10%. Up $3 billion to $33 billion. The e-commerce company couldn't credit a stellar earnings report or new product release for the sudden investor appetite. Instead, it was news of a new partnership with Facebook that did the trick. So again, it's not a merger, as some have said. It is a partnership. And I think basically it's going to be like an affiliate partnership with eBay is not going to sell any of Facebook Marketplace things, but Facebook Marketplace is going to bring buyers and new eyes to eBay items. Facebook parent company Meta announced Wednesday that its Facebook Marketplace business will start including some listings from its competitor eBay in the United States, Germany, and France. So for users on Facebook Marketplace, the news means they might stumble upon a product listing from an eBay seller, along with the normal listings from Facebook Marketplace. If you know anything about Facebook Marketplace, they already have sponsored listings from Temu and stuff and places like that. So I don't think we're really going to notice that much of a difference. If anything, it's probably going to put more good items in front of the eyes of buyers on Facebook Marketplace. This could benefit people using both the platforms. eBay sellers will gain exposure to Facebook's audience, while people using Marketplace will be able to discover a broader array of listings from the eBay community. So the announcement came in part as a response to the European Commission in November saying that it would fine Facebook nearly 800 million euros for breaching EU antitrust rules by trying its online classified ad service, Facebook Marketplace, to its personal social network, Facebook, and by imposing fair trading conditions on other online classified ad service providers. Meta said on Wednesday that it disagrees with the ruling and continues to appeal it. So who knows how that's going to work out. But basically, this is going to be more eyes on your items on eBay, which is, if you're an eBay seller, it's a great thing. It's not going to be a bad thing. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Do you think eventually, if something sells on Facebook or via Facebook, we're actually going to have to pay more fees on eBay? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you on the next one.